Hi Genshin friends! Before we continue with the rest of this unboxing, I'd like to take a quick break for a message from today's sponsor, miHoYo. For those who are unaware, miHoYo is the developer of Genshin Impact, and I'm super excited to help them introduce another one of their quality games to you all. That game is none other than Tears of Themis, a free-to-play detective-style otome game of romance and wits available for both iOS and Android, and something I personally play when I'm waiting for my resin to refill. In Tears of Themis, you'll play a detective as well as attorney in the glittering city of Stellis, solving cases relating to the abnormal increase of mysterious incidents threatening Stellis' social security through thorough investigation and cross-examination, while getting to know the charming main cast of 4 unique male leads. Some of my favorite parts of the game involve talking to NPCs in each unique case and uncovering evidence and crime scenes, which you'll use to secure justice in court trials. And when you're not playing detective or attorney extraordinaire, you can hang out with the male leads, who you can learn more about through their background stories and through cute interactions like video calls. I can tell miHoYo has invested a lot of love and effort into the game, much like they have done in Genshin Impact. Like Genshin Impact, this is also free to play, but there is a gacha element. Having played for a while, I can confidently say that the art is gorgeous, the plot lines are engaging, and the whole cast of nuanced and interesting characters are all voiced by amazing voice actors. I play with the Japanese dub, but the Korean and Chinese dubs are very nice as well. And fun fact, you can actually mix and match to your preference. In celebration of spooky season, the new event Symphony of the Night is now live as of today, October 20th, 2021, and will introduce a banner with new cards to pull, each with beautiful illustrations. Personally, I'm hoarding every one of my S-chips, basically the equivalent of Primo Gems, to pull an Artem card because he reminds me of one of my favorite characters in Genshin Impact. Download Tears of Themis for free via the link in the description box below, and feel free to add me if you start playing. I'll leave my FC there as well.